downtown San Mateo. Grab my gear.
Well, when you get that car, I'm like,
So we're out looking for a restaurant. We're gonna hunt for a restaurant. We don't know where to go to yet, but this is the fun part about Foodie.
we don't know yet? Oh,
No. We're gonna try Kao Gra Kitchen.
There's one made from
Kao Gra Kitchen, guys. Close. Oh, can't.
have you been there?
I've never been here. Thai. Oh, King of Thai Noodles. Yeah, I've tried that. It's alright. We could do King of Thai.
I was just opening the door for you.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah, I do some document and blogging. All right. So we're here at King of Thai. What's gonna happen is we're gonna order some food and we're gonna eat it. That is beautiful, dude.
Yeah,
Look at
just
that.
how do you get Xfinity to work? Do you go Xfinity?
This menu looks pretty good, actually. Kind of nice. The quality of the menu is really good.
I don't know, it's like a placemat.
Yeah. All right, we're ready to order. What's the recommendation? Kao Gra Prow. Beef then. Let's do beef. Kao Gra Prow. So I ordered the papaya salad as an appetizer because I love papaya salad. So it's gonna be really good. And I got it spicy too. I got it spicy. Now it's more crisp. Man, I can't believe I'm supposed to clean the lenses.
So-
Can I get that to me? I forgot the name of this dish here. Kao Gra Prow, I think. Kao Gra Prow. Thai peppers with vinegar.
Yeah.
That papaya salad is great.
I got fried chicken over fried rice.
I don't play it a lot. I play it here and there. But
It's a new, it's called a royal.
it's like a Hunger Game kind of thing.
They adore my rice just like that.
The genre is kind of.
Which is a blue marker.
Uh-huh.
You'll slowly lose health until you get back.
Jace, how long you been like?
But then I realized, man, this is really
This is it right here.
social,
Yeah. That looks fun.
Kind of brings me back to home because it almost has a Filipino type taste to it. It's spicy, so definitely it's Thai food. Oh, it's delicious, man. Like I love it. It's real good.
Real good.
I'm loving this meal here. The pie salad's the bomb.
I've never had one before.
just cabbage or just salad.
This might be my go-to dish if I ever came back.
Really?
This and papaya salad, like a
Yeah,
go-to.
that's really good.
Yeah. Cleared it up. Torqued it up. So that meal is really good, but we're not done yet. We're gonna go hit up a dessert shop. So we're gonna walk out this restaurant here. Thank you. All right. All right. Oh, that was good. Oh man, that was really good. It's open? You're closed?
So close. It's right there.
No. Fresh Nation dessert. All right. Oreo egg looks. Oh, dude, I might do this. We made it to this Fresh Nation's dessert. We're gonna order dessert.
Make sauce, some white chocolate sauce. It sounds scrumptious.
I might go with the Oreo egg because I like Oreo and I like eggs. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna do the Oreo egg.
No, dude.
Do a maca shot.
Thank you.
Make it.
Oh man, look at that. Oh goodness. Look at that. Look at how close I. Oh, look at that leaf. Look how close we are. You can see the. Here we go. Yeah, that's good.
Thanks, man. What's up, YouTubers? How you guys doing? This is my brother Justice.
I don't know this guy.
Yeah, you're.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you.
Right. Call it quits here. Had a good time today. Checking out a couple of these restaurants. Enjoy the King of Thai very much. Definitely a go back to place real soon. And this dessert shop was really off the hook as well. So I enjoyed this night out with my good friends here, Justice and JC. I'm gonna just close this off here with peace out, one love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications.